Anesthetic. A drug used to numb an area before dental procedures. The dentist injected an anesthetic before removing the tooth. Braces. A device used to straighten and align teeth. My braces will be removed next month. Crown. A cap placed over a damaged tooth to restore its shape and function. The dentist placed a crown on my molar. Dental chair. A special chair for patients during dental treatment. The dentist asked me to sit in the dental chair. Dental chart. A record of a patient's teeth and treatments. The assistant updated my dental chart after the cleaning. Dental floss. A thin thread for cleaning between teeth. I use dental floss every night to keep my gums healthy. Dental mirror. A small mirror used to see hard-to-reach areas in the mouth. The dentist checked the back of my teeth with a dental mirror. Drill. A tool used to remove decay and shape the tooth. The dentist used a drill to clean the cavity. Filling. A material used to fill a cavity in a tooth. I needed a filling for my decayed tooth. Forceps. A tool used for tooth extraction. The dentist used forceps to remove my wisdom tooth. Impression tray. A tray used to take a mold of your teeth. The assistant prepared the impression tray for my braces. Mouthwash. A liquid used to rinse the mouth for hygiene or fresh breath. The dentist recommended using mouthwash daily. Polishing tool. A device for smoothing and shining teeth after cleaning. The hygienist used a polishing tool for a bright finish. Probe. A thin tool to check for cavities or gum issues. The dentist used a probe to check my gums. Retainer. A device worn after braces to keep teeth aligned. I wear my retainer every night after orthodontic treatment. Scaler. A tool used to remove plaque and tartar from teeth. The hygienist used a scaler to clean my teeth. Sealant. A protective coating applied to teeth to prevent decay. The dentist applied sealant to my child's molars. Suction. A device to remove saliva and water during dental work. The assistant used suction while the dentist worked. Whitening gel. A gel used to make teeth whiter. The dentist applied a whitening gel during the cosmetic procedure. X-ray machine. A device to take images of teeth and jaw. The dentist ordered an X-ray to examine my wisdom teeth.